Good Monday morning, and thanks for logging on to your Aggie Land Carpet 1 forecast. I'm meteorologist Natalie Ferrari, and as you saw there on Live Eye, quite a bit of a cloudy and foggy start out there. Visibility is reduced this morning, and that will have you giving yourself a little extra time as you get ready to make your way on the roadways. Now, as you can see here, visibility is reduced easily to at least 2 miles, anywhere from Cameron through here into Bryan College Station, even Caldwell from Giddings. Now, looking down towards Washington County through Brenham and even into Belleville, those visibilities reduced to less than 2 miles, and even more so from Madisonville out in Huntsville, less than a mile of reduced visibility. So things are a little bit on the foggy side, and we are dealing with anywhere from a light drizzle to a light mist this morning, so that will likely even have your windshield wipers working in overtime this morning. PinPoint radar showing most moisture struggling to reach the ground. If anything, just seeing a few blimps of some very light drizzle to a light mist. But temperatures at least are above freezing this morning. It's still a chilly start, and if anything, we're seeing quite a bit of a range of temperatures from one edge of the area to the other. Looking out to the west and to the northwest, waking up in the mid to upper 30s, all the way across the east and to the southeast, temperatures right now in the mid to lower 40s. So we are seeing quite a range there, at least almost a 10-degree temperature difference from one edge of the area to the other, while here in Bryan College Station, we're meeting everyone smack dab in the middle, right at 40 degrees this morning. Winds do continue to filter on in out of the north, about 5 to 10 miles per hour, and that will give a few of us a bit of a wind chill. It's not quite affecting our eastern counties as much as it's affecting our western and northwestern counties, almost feeling like we're at the freezing mark this morning thanks to a slight wind chill. But temperatures are above freezing, and that's some good news given how much moisture we're dealing with in that fog and some light rain. Lots of moisture engulfing the entire Lone Star State. So we are going to continue that 30% chance to see some scattered showers off and on throughout the morning hours and into the afternoon. Late evening hours, those showers look to try to take a bit of a break overnight, but with all the moisture and cloud cover, wouldn't be surprised if we continue to have periods of a light drizzle to a light mist. A very similar trend continues into your Tuesday forecast, but winds will try to gradually shift out of the southeast and out of the south, which means things could get a little bit warmer for our Tuesday afternoon. Even that will be short-lived. I'll show you why here in just a bit, but for today, looking at 50 degrees to be lucky enough to make that our daytime high. Some of us may be stuck likely in the upper 40s. It's going to be a stretch today. Looking at some patchy morning fog with that 30% chance for scattered showers. And then here's your 7-day forecast where we're tracking a number of changes. As I mentioned, tomorrow we'll try to warm things up, and we'll be lucky if we can make it in the mid to upper 60s. Again, that's due to those winds shifting gradually out of the south and out of the southeast. Still looking at some spotty rain chances even as we make it through Wednesday, but a front will be approaching and we'll actually see a 60% chance not only for showers, but even for some isolated thunderstorms to be embedded within those showers. Expect temperatures to fall throughout the day, so you see 60s there for the towards the early afternoon to the late morning hours. That will actually fall throughout the afternoon, likely in the 40s and into the 30s overnight into your Thursday morning forecast. And due to the fact that temperatures will be close to freezing, we are still watching out for the potential for a wintry mix late Wednesday night and into Thursday morning. Now, a lot could change between now and then, but if this trend does continue, it's going to be something we'll have to be mindful of early Thursday morning. At least we're giving you an early heads up on it, but we'll continue to monitor it over the next several days. Thanks again for logging on.